I was just sent this cauldron set for Halloween. This is really neat. This is a 10 by 7 inch little plastic cauldron. It's got all these designs all around it. In the kit, you get 45 of these different sized balls that are just gonna kind of look like little bubbles coming out of the little witch's potion. You get 2 cotton sets, 120 feet of string lights that come with a remote. So you can actually change it to 8 different settings on here to create whatever atmosphere you want to have. Now, with these different balls, you get little double-sided sticky dots that you connect them, and you can make whatever shape you want to have. If you want to have a big ball over here, if you want to kind of have them falling all over, it is completely up to you. So we're going to get this thing put together and make a nice Halloween scene. So these little cotton pieces, again, it's all up to you. You can fluff this up as much as you want. You get 2 of these, and I will bring you in here close so you can just see exactly how all this goes together. But this is just a nice soft cotton that we're gonna put down in here first. And then we are going to put in our second one, and we'll start connecting all these dots in. To do the little balls, they are super simple. You just decide which size ball you wanna put and where. You grab one of your little dots here, and we pull one off, and we say we wanna put one right there. Pull off the top part, and then it becomes sticky on both sides. And then you just put your other ball on. And then you rinse and repeat until all of those balls are completed. So now I have all the bubbles on here. I love how you can make it your own and put the bubbles however shape you want, however high, whatever flowing off the sides. And here is the remote. It did have a little pull tab that you have to pull out from the side. You see you're on, you actually have timer mode. You're off, you have your 8 different settings, and then you can either dim them or make them brighter. You do have to provide your own 3 AA batteries, and then they just go in here. And what's really nice is they actually tell you what each one of the settings are. A lot of them you don't know, you just kind of have to push on it to find out. This one tells you all of the different settings on the top here. So now we're going to take our lights and we're going to string them in. All right, I've got my cauldron all done with the lights in it, and this thing looks so cool. I think this is gonna be so fun for Halloween. That would be great for any decoration that you wanna have, whether it's simply on your kitchen table or living room, or you wanna bring it into school for a Halloween party. This would be the ticket. It has so many different options, so many different ways to make it brighter or dimmer. I really like this little cauldron. And the versatility of being able to put the bubbles however you want. It's a nice little DIY project that is super cute.